Also would be a good way to help would be also for the engineers and the hospitals to do minor repairs and adjustments, reducing reliance and expensive outside of the vendors that would have to make us pay more to get it fixed. And it also eliminates the time that is spent on the downtime for the equipment. And also a large academically medical center saved $250,000 annually by reducing instrument loss and repair costs, and also which was double in the peer facilities, which is also a good way to handle it and get back to where they need to be on board with the instruments being housed and being repaired. And optimizing instruments could include in surgical trays and reducing the sterilization on the processing costs. All of that goes in with the instrument processing and repair. All of that goes together hand in hand. And if anyone is off, everything is off. So that's why the hospital is supposed to emphasize on importance of regular inspections and calibration to prevent costly breakdowns all the time, to make sure that the instruments are working fine for our patients and we can do the surgeries in the right time. The minimizing, and we also want the hospital and the staff to minimize misuse of the damage and the fewer repairs of the instruments to help us also to make sure that we can maintain the maintenance of them also. And also they have studies and cases from which the sources of specialty care and Vincent Inc. highlighting the successful strategies for reducing the cost and improving efficiency also. And it always has to do with the patient safety, the improved efficiency for the instruments to make sure they're working properly for us and for the patients to make sure they have safe surgeries, and to also the including cost savings to make sure everything goes in order. Everything needs to go in order to make sure everything is supposed to be the way it is supposed to be to run smoothly. And you really should look at the other companies too who are in-house to where they can do more and give more cost breaks on the instruments. It would probably benefit hospitals a lot to do that, as well as in people who own their own businesses as well. And we are always looking for ways to improve the industry and to improve instrument repair, and we're looking for any type of strategies that would help to get better, to make sure we stay on top of everything. And the goal is to keep going and to keep everything the way it's supposed to be, because it really is a financial burden for the healthcare and the staff when everything goes awry. So everything, that's why everything has a place, everything has rules, and everything needs to be done a certain way, so everything could be the way it is supposed to be, so we can get the surgeries done the right way and make sure our patients are safe and healthy and everything is done. And we can continue to do it every day for our next patient and our next case. Thank you.